Now, we've all heard of a Hawaiian pizza which has bacon and pineapple on it, and you either love it or you hate it. I must admit, I actually do love it, and I'm not going to make that for you, but what I am going to do is make Hawaiian chicken skewers. It's a combination of chicken thighs, bacon and pineapple, and it works so well together. The sweetness from the pineapple, the salty smoky bacon, and then tender chicken. It's just so delicious. Now I'm using 4 chicken thighs that are skinless, and I love to use chicken thigh because they're quite forgiving when it comes to cooking, and there's loads more flavour in it. So I'm going to cut them into chunks, roughly the same size as the bacon and the pineapple. And I have some skewers here that I've soaked in some water. We'll start with a piece of chicken, and next some pineapple, some streaky bacon, and then some more chicken. And now I'm just going to repeat the process until we have a full skewer. These then get oiled, I put a bit of salt and pepper on them, and I grill them for about 10 to 15 minutes or until they're caramelized all over. All right, these are cooked, caramelized on the outside, slightly smoky, just perfect. So next barbecue, forget about plain skewers. It's all about chicken, pineapple, and bacon skewers.